Hi everyone! Today we will learn simple English sentences for the kitchen. These sentences are easy and useful for everyday life.
So, let's get started. I am in the kitchen. I am making breakfast. I am making tea.
Boil the water.
Boil the water, please. Put the cup on the table. Great. Give me a spoon, please. Here you go. Where is the knife?
It's in the other one.
The knife is in the knife stand.
Oh, I see it. Thanks. Wash the vegetables. Cut the vegetables.
Right away.
I'll peel this one now. Thanks, honey. Peel the potatoes.
Right.
Add some salt. Mix it well. Add some sugar. Stir the soup.
Smells amazing.
Just a little longer. Turn on the stove. Turn off the stove. The food is cooking.
Take the eggs from the fridge.
Okay, thanks.
Pour some milk into the glass.
Thank you, that's perfect.
Put the bread in the toaster.
Put the plates in the cabinet.
Thanks, honey.
No problem.
Wipe the kitchen counter. We are done in the kitchen.
Yes, everything is clean now. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.
Keep learning and keep smiling.